All right, guys, today we're going to talk about the ball flight laws and why the ball flies a certain way. It's important to know this, especially when you guys are practicing on your own. The only feedback we get when we do practice on our own, you don't have an instructor, is, the divot. When you make a divot and your ball goes left to right, why did it go that way? Okay, and it's all in relationship to the club path and your face angle. Okay. So it's super important to pay attention not only to your divot, like I said before, but also your ball flight and which way is it moving. Hopefully it just goes straight, but that's not always the case sometimes. So what I have represented on the tee box here is a closed club face, square club face, and open club face. And what happens when we swing at the ball, with a closed club face with the outside to in, inside to out path. Okay. So we'll start first with the closed club face. All right. So if my club face is closed and I go in to out, it's going to be a push hook. If my club face is closed and I go out to in, it's going to be a pull hook. Okay. For square club face, if I go in to out, it's going to be a straight pull. If I go out to in, it's going to be a straight push. All right. With the open club face is open. If I go inside to outside with the open club face, it's going to be a push slice. If I go out to in, it's going to be a pull slice. All right, does that make sense? So like I said, it's super important to know what your ball flight is doing. Pay attention to your divot and pay attention to the actual ball flight of the golf ball. Does that make sense? Do you guys have any questions? All right, what we're gonna do is we're gonna hit some shots. We're actually gonna hit some shots with the square club face, and we're gonna alter our club path a little bit and see which way the ball goes, and then we'll do some with a closed club face and an open club face, and we'll see how you guys do. Thanks.